paycheck to paycheck and wonder if making money online actually work? Well, this channel is for you. My name is Maurice Reese, and this channel is about building real income streams the right way, without scams, hypes, or for fake success stories. I help working class adults make their first dollar online, then turn it into consistent income using a very simple system, real skills, and discipline. Here you'll learn online income basic, affiliate marketing, digital products, real estate fundamental, side hustles you can build after work and not someday. Now, what this is not a get rich quick nonsense bull crap. No overnight promises, just clear step by step that actually work. If you do, once you make your first dollar online, everything changes. You know why? Because now you know it's real. And see, if you're serious about changing how you earn, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. If you want my recommendations, tools, guides, and next step, visit mauricereese.com. Everything starts there. Build skills, build income on your time. Let's get it.